Last song I'm going to share with you is called Death No Ready, because I don't think Times Square is ready for us, right? And I have a very famous guest on this song. How many of y'all heard of Sean Paul? Yeah, so I'm sorry, he's not going to show up right now, but he's on the track, and we made this record together in the studio, and I'm going to close it out with this one. See, Death No Ready! Death No Ready! Do I have any Jamaican brothers and sisters in the house? Okay, do I have any Indonesian brothers and sisters in the house? Do I have any New York brothers and sisters in the house?
Whoa.
All right, Death No Ready, let's try, let's make it happen, come on.
Ready, yet.
Very easy, just Death No Ready, come on, feel the vibe.
Alright then. Cause they're not ready yet. No, they're not ready yet. They're not ready yet. No, they're not ready yet. Said they're not ready yet. No, they're not ready yet. Them do ready yet.
Just in case you didn't know, China was stealing the show. It's a new West Coast left side, soon then be calling me right side. Girl, you were #1 now, walk out like a champion now. None of them got to like you, and I hot like you, and I shot like you. Game over. Girl, you are #1 now. Walk out with the champion now. None of them got to like you, and I hot like you, and I shot like time.
Love you guys, oh, thank you so much. Woo! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesians and non, give it up for my boy. Let's go! Thank you. Love you guys. You guys think about Let's Go? Pretty awesome stuff, right? Let me hear you make some noise, Times Square.
This nigga's a fucking
Fuck around you, man.
High
High energy, and we ain't even done yet. So I need you guys to match this energy. Help keep me up. I'm feeding off you guys. Alright? How do you guys feel about that? We're not done. Yeah. The guy with the hat. Yeah. Keep that up, brother. Okay, guess what? We're not done with our performances. We have another international singer. So what we like to do is kind of collaborate with other artists of other countries to kind of show that Indonesia, we're friendly, we're good people. We collaborate well with others. What do y'all think about that? All 6 people clapped. The rest of you guys, come on now. Energy! The guys in the back, energy! You guys know we're upstairs, energy! I'll take that. All right, guys. Amazing. So at this time, I'd like to introduce on stage, representing Argentina, Claudia.